Here to talk about some new Kodak camera filters for the M35 and M38 camera. The M35, really awesome, reusable 35mm point-and-shoot camera that has a built-in flash. Comes in gray, red, mint green, pink, yellow, purple, blue. And this year, Kodak came out with some camera filters. By the way, historically, Kodak has been known to put out camera filters for all of their cameras, going back to the Kodak Brownie in the 1950s. When using your filter, please make sure to turn on your flash. Very important. Here is a star filter that goes on your camera. And you know, John Fideli, who's behind the camera, hi John. John took the M35 out for a spin and tested out these filters. When you put the star filter on, make sure your subject is like 5 feet away from you. Really, this works best when shooting a portrait, someone fairly close up, 5 feet.
Put it dead center.
Yes, yes,
Frame it.
yes, frame it dead center, as you can see in these images. Here is the pink filter, which goes on your camera, like it just snaps right on. As you can see, make sure your flash is on. And with the pink filter, it will add, well, pink to your color photography. Of course, if you're shooting black and white film, you will not get color, but it's kind of fun, kind of cool, kind of kooky. And then, of course, by putting the selfie on, then you hold the camera in your hand, like I did in this picture. Make sure you have your flash on. Very important to keep the flash on. And this is just a fun accessory that Kodak came out with in 2023 for your M35 or M38 camera. Have you been shooting with your M35? If so, please leave a comment down below. And we'll be back with another video super soon.